Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today we're going to be replacing the rear main and Miss Leaky over here, and we're going to try and get that done. So I'm going to go ahead and start her up and get her on the garage, and we'll see how good this goes. Let's get a little bit of a cold start going, shall we? We got her jacked up on the old burner tires. It should be high enough so where we can get everything done, everything unbolted from under there, and then hopefully get the transmission out of the way to where we can change that rear main. Wherever it is, I can't tell. We're gonna get to it. We're gonna get to it and see where we can get. You think it's at the rear?
Yeah, it's at the rear. The rear main, so it's at the rear, the main part of the engine.
I thought it was the front of the engine.
It's a seal, so...
No, like...
it'd be a front main seal if it's front seal.
Like the thing out of the ocean, the seal?
Like a seal,
Hey, what are you barking at? That looks like a seal to me. Alright, well, we're gonna hop right into it. Well, after a multitude of tools laying everywhere, and a Jordan laying down there, we finally got pretty much everything we can unbolted that needs to be unbolted. We got the trans mount unbolted, we just have to get it out. We have most of the bolts off of the bell housing in the engine. We just have to actually fully remove them, like that one. And we should just be able to shove the jack under there with the board on it and hopefully lower it right out. We're gonna try and see how well that works. Oh, moment of truth. We're gonna lift the jack up a little bit, and we're gonna try and get this mount out from under it.
we got this cable right over here for the parking brake. All right, coming down.
There we go.
Try not to lose those little plates here.
So the transmission's unbolted from the back. Everything's off from the front. The main thing we have to worry about is just the lines, but other than that, we should be able to just pull the engine, or the transmission straight back. Well, it's loose.
Let's try getting it down just a little bit. She's stuck. There we go.
Just like that. All right, well, we're gonna go ahead and take out the flywheel bolts, pull that off, and then pull the back cover off, and we should just be able to go ahead and change the seal after that. We're getting there, Jordan.
Heck yeah, won't be too much longer. We'll be done with it.
Oh, yeah.
Some Bernies.
Yeah, we'll be doing a burnout at the end of this video.
Oh yeah.
Well, it does appear that it was leaking out of the rear main, but we can't tell for sure because there's still fluid on some of the bolts and higher up. So we're just gonna go ahead and pull it all out and see what we're looking at. Here's the phone to Jordan.
Boom, there's my hand. How y'all like that? Let's go ahead and see what we got here, Andrew.
Get on there, you frick.
Frick.
Oh, frick. You can tell the transmission's not leaking any. It's mainly just out of the engine. So I think we just get that off and we'll see where we're looking. See how we're looking.
See where we're looking.
Yep, we're gonna see where we're looking.
Well, I hope you see where you're looking.
I wonder if I can just...
Yeah, you can.
I don't know.
You want me to hold your phone? You might want to get both hands on it.
No, we'll be okay.
Drop it on your face.
It really ain't that heavy. It's easier to see in real life. You might be able to tell on the camera, but there's a good gap in between the seal and the crank itself on the very top. There's a good gap there. Oh boy, look at that Texas speed cam up there. Oh baby. Well, we got everything off. We're probably gonna have to lower the oil pan just a little bit just so we can actually center the cover properly. Other than that, we're gonna shove a new seal in this cover and see how it goes. Got the old rear main out, we're gonna shove the new one in and then put it back on the back of the engine and see how it goes.
All right, all you gotta do is just take,
That's the old one, that's the old one.
And then just throw it in.
There you go. That's. I don't think that's how you do it. But
That's why I grabbed the old one, by the way.
I was like, why is he trying to put the old one on there? All right, well, we got the rear main cover back on, got the new seal on. Got the oil pan bolted back down. Hopefully it don't leak. So we should be able to throw everything back together, Jordan, and get this thing rolling.
I'm ready to get it going. Let's see it burn out, man.
Yeah, we're ready to burn out too. Let's go. Well, everything's put back together. Bolted back in, drive shaft's back in. Battery's reconnected over there, so we're gonna hop in the car and make sure everything still turns on like it should and we didn't frick anything up. Hopefully not. It looks like it still works. Hell yeah. Well, we're gonna put the tires back on it real quick. We're gonna actually do a little bit of a switcheroo. We're gonna take our good tires on the back and put them on the front and take our old front tires that are actually dry rotted that we've been driving on and we probably shouldn't have. But we're gonna put those on the back and we're gonna roast them off. Oh, he disappeared.
I get tools.
No, yeah, we're gonna put them on the back, roast them off, and then I've got a brand new set of tires in the back of my car that we're gonna put on those rims. So, figured we'd send them off in a good way before we got rid of them.
Yes.
Well, she's back together. We're gonna let her warm up, and then we're gonna take her out on a drive and send those tires to heaven. Is that where tires go? Do they go to heaven?
Tires go to heaven? Yeah, I mean, they go up. The smoke goes up, so that's what we're going to go with.
Yeah, I think that's good. We're just gonna send them to heaven.
Heck yeah.
Man, we almost forgot.
What's that?
Forgot to turn this on.
Oh! I got you.
There we go. We might need that.
We might. That's the brakes right there.
Yeah, it turns the brakes on.
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
I gotta get one for the old Snapchat. Snapchat ain't seen one in a minute. You ready?
Yeah.
Show us what you got, Andrew.
All right.
Woo! Don't run off the road now.
A little bit smoky in here now.
Just a little bit. You ready?
Go for it.
Second gear. Alright. Before we kill the 4L60.
Yeah. We didn't burn them all the way down, but we still got some driving to do, so I figure that's good enough. Next, I guess we get some new tires put on it, and I'm going to take it on a mountain trip, which will be in the next video. So, hope you guys enjoyed. We're signing off. See you in the next one.